If you're thinking about renovating your tiny NYC kitchen, here are 4 tips to help make your space feel massive without tearing down a single wall. My name is Preston McMath. I'm an interior designer with over 4.5 years of experience in residential design. Tip number 1, increase the lighting. It's really important to maximize the amount of lighting in your kitchen, not just for aesthetic purposes, but for functional purposes as well. So having really good ceiling lighting as well as good under cabinet lighting, or if that's not possible, even just adding a lamp to your countertops is really going to make a difference in helping your space feel lighter and brighter. Tip number 2, use light and bright colors. So whether it's your tile backsplash, your countertop, or your cabinetry, choose light and bright colors like whites, off-whites, beiges, or if for wood tones, looking at white oak are really great materials to use to bounce all that extra light. Tip number 3, use polished finishes. So looking at things like your plumbing fixtures, your cabinet hardware, or even your countertop finishes. Using a polished finish is again going to reflect that light a lot better and keep that space feeling nice and open and airy. And finally, tip number 4, use panel-ready appliances. Panel-ready appliances are going to help blend your appliances into the cabinetry, creating a smooth and seamless look for your kitchen, and it'll give the illusion that your kitchen is wider or taller than it actually is. Every inch counts when designing a kitchen here in New York City, so use these tips like a pro.